Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today is a food review. We're in Dublin 12 here in Ireland, and because of that might be a hint of where we're going. We're going to the Black Forge Inn, Conor McGregor's famous pub, to try out his food and his beers and maybe even a whiskey. So come on, let's go and see what it's like. On brand everywhere. Cheers. Apparently Conor's Stout, his first one. Somehow I don't believe it, but anyway, it's cool.
Yo, Itsajackslife, pack your bags, let's roll. From first class flights to that budget hotel. Planes, trains, tourist games, we're on the move. Dropping reviews, making travel smooth. Sky high vibes, tracks down low. Jet set living everywhere we go. Hit subscribe, take the journey, don't wait. Itsajackslife, adventure's great.
So you have the bar through this way. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this for a bar. All these beautiful leather seats. That's the on tap Forged Irish Stout. There's a little private booth here just at the front. That's nice, isn't it? And then throughout the whole place on the TVs there's all of Conor's products and some of his fights. And he pops up on many of the photos. So like I said, this is the bar, and then you go through into the lounge, which is where you eat, and the restaurant is. And another big beautiful bar. And then there's an outside area up here, which we'll go check out later. On brand everywhere. Let's look at the drinks menu first. Conor's Irish Stout, €6. You can have his lager, €6. All the rest. Proper 12 cocktails, starting at €14. Where's his whiskey? $6.50 a shot, that's pretty good. Both the original and the apple. It's the most expensive. You can have a Macallan 18 year, €48 a shot. Mezcal's a bit pricey. Food wise, starters, soup for $7. It goes all the way up to a 16 for a chicken truffle parmesan. And then we got the main courses. I think it's going to have to be the steak, isn't it? So let's try his Forged Irish Stout. Cheers. That's a good beer. So this is apparently Conor's belt, his first one. Somehow I don't believe it, but anyway, it's cool. So this is the little outside bit. It's really nice actually. So it's all glass roof, but you can slide it across if it's raining, not good weather. There's also a little outside bar here. famous tiger. And then this little sort of inside outdoor bit. I think this goes around to the bar, doesn't it? Black Forge Inn. And you sneak down this bit and back into the bar. So starter has arrived. We've got the arancini with the pulled pork, little violet flowers on top, and then I think underneath is chicken skin jam. Sounds phenomenal. Let's get involved. Just gonna try the chicken skin first. The crunch. So just finished the starter, very good, although quite large. Probably could have been half the size, which would have been enough, but flavour wise, really, really good. Oh yeah, look at this. We've got the steak sizzling on the stone, proper 12 peppercorn sauce, some extra salt, and then your fries, your mushrooms, tomato, and onion rings. That steak was absolutely delicious. Melt in your mouth, feel it. Absolutely beautiful. Onion rings as well with a surprise starter as well. Homemade onion rings, they were really nice. So that's the Black Forge Inn. Absolutely amazing quality food. Portions big though, so do not have breakfast in the morning if you come in for lunch. But yeah, definitely worth a visit. Give it a go.
Jet set living everywhere we go. Hit subscribe, take the journey, don't wait. It's a Jack's life, adventure's great.